April 1990, NASA launches the Hubble Space Telescope, the first in a new generation of space telescopes unlocking the secrets of the cosmos.
They are going to tell us in detail what our universe is made of, how it was born, how our universe is evolving.
High-tech telescopes like Hubble take us back to the dawn of time, to the very birth of the universe, show us giant clouds where stars and planets are born.
Each time a new telescope looks in a different way at the universe, we learn something new and profound about the universe.
In stunning clarity, we can now watch stars exploding, galaxies colliding, and the violence of black holes.
There's a whole hidden universe out there.
We see the universe continuously changing and evolving.
At this 20th anniversary of Hubble's launch, revolutions in telescope technology continue to push forward the frontiers of space.
Every time you try and explore a new part of the universe, we have these great discoveries and these great surprises.
But where did this race begin? Where will it take us? This is the remarkable journey through 400 years of an extraordinary device that is changing everything we thought we knew.
Telescopes have revolutionized our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos and our mindset about who we are and where we came from.
Giant doors 8 stories high slide apart. These twin eyes are preparing to look into deepest space. They belong to the Large Binocular Telescope. It is one of the most powerful telescopes on Earth, costing over $120 million. These 28-foot wide mirrors collect light from objects millions of times fainter than anything our eyes can see. 600 tons of machinery turn the mirrors to look more than 13 billion light years away, to the very edges of the visible universe. Super telescopes like this are taking real images that illuminate the darkest corners of our skies. Billowing clouds of gas and dust are buffeted by supersonic winds and lit up by thousands of energetic new stars. 57 trillion miles high, these giant clouds of gas and dust are stellar nurseries, hiding the very birthplaces of stars and planets. Suddenly, a star's explosive death sends its superheated gas ripping through space at hundreds of miles per second. And in faraway galaxies, we can take images of invisible jets of energy screaming out from one of the most mysterious objects, a supermassive black hole. All because of high-tech telescopes.
The telescope has changed the way we as a species think about ourselves.
With a new telescope, you're always going to find something new because you always add to your ability to see more.
These breathtaking images are only possible because extraordinary telescopes like these are staring out night after night across the globe and in space. Over the past 4 centuries, revolutions in technology have transformed this groundbreaking instrument. This is the universe Galileo helps reveal. Planets and their moons orbiting the sun. Telescopes today now reveal this solar system in detail that Galileo could only dream of. explosions on the surface of the Sun the power of 1 billion megatons of TNT. Features in the Great Red Spot on Jupiter, a vast stormy vortex large enough to swallow 3 Earths. On Jupiter's moon, Io, we can watch volcanoes spew ash and gas high into space. On Mars, a canyon 5 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. And a volcano 3 times higher than Everest. On the surface of Venus, beneath roiling clouds of sulfuric acid, mountains rise from the rocky surface. And circling the Sun at the very perimeters of our solar system, dwarf planets made of rock and ice. But one planet remains an enduring mystery for even the most advanced telescopes: Saturn and its enigmatic rings. Today, telescopes stare out from observatories across the world and in space. They are expanding our view of the cosmos, capturing light that has been traveling across our universe for billions of years. The clarity is so exceptional that these real images continue to amaze and inspire us. All these telescopes rely on large mirrors with the perfect shape. The most powerful telescopes on Earth and in space now reveal that Earth and our solar system lie in a spiral arm in the suburbs of our galaxy, dwarfed within a giant disk of 200 billion stars spinning together around a bright central bulge that hides a supermassive black hole. The Milky Way is so large that it would take 100,000 years traveling at the speed of light, that's 670 million miles per hour, to cross from one edge to the other. Now, a new telescope is about to see what more it can find out about our Milky Way. The Herschel Space Observatory. Bill Latter is a key member of the Herschel team.
Herschel will map the entire Milky Way galaxy in terms of how stars are formed, how stars die, and how the galaxy is put together.
After years of careful preparation, the finely tuned telescope is about to launch.
Launch is a violent thing. There's no other way to describe it. We light this candle, it shakes, we throw the thing out into space, and we only can hope that it all holds together.
1 million miles above Earth, the largest mirror ever launched into space is looking beyond visible light to wavelengths our eyes cannot even see, the far infrared. This means it can measure tiny fluctuations in temperature and see right through clouds of dust to give us the clearest images of the Milky Way ever.
The results were astonishing. What we're able to see with the Herschel Space Observatory are right into the cradles of newborn stars. We see something very different than we would with our eyes. If we looked at the same region in visible light, it would be full of stars. But here, in the infrared, we're seeing dust and gas that really make up the majority of material in our galaxy, and it's where stars form.
No other telescope is able to see the Milky Way in this detail.
The introduction of telescopes to astronomy opened up an entirely new window on the universe.
The race will continue to build bigger and bigger.
Our technology has reached a point where we can build gigantic ground-based telescopes. We can launch huge space-based telescopes and see the most distant things in the universe.
The telescope is pushing forward the frontiers of our universe. So what will colliding galaxies billions of light years away tell us about our own Milky Way? And right at the limits of the cosmos, what will the afterglow of the Big Bang tell us about how our universe began?
Every time you try and explore a new part of the universe, we have these great discoveries and these great surprises.
Most surprising of all, telescopes will reveal that right now we can only see 5% of the universe.
Only a few percent of the total matter and energy content of the universe consists of things that we can see.
So what is the rest of the universe made of?
In many ways, we're at the beginning of our quest of discovery. We're learning about the major part of the universe we didn't even know existed 10 years ago.
Telescopes will point to an elusive and powerful force that is shaping the fate of our universe. Dark energy.
I think dark energy is the most mysterious thing we've ever discovered.
Telescopes are on the brink of a new era of discovery and exploration.
It's such an exciting future to think about all of the discoveries yet to come.
We are uncovering a universe we are only just beginning to understand, as telescopes that are bigger and more sophisticated than ever continue the hunt for the edge of space.